You need to use the iprefer.com website now, in order to see. The Preferred Hotels and Resorts program boasts having well over 600 properties around the globe. However, my research shows that only 432 of those can be booked 100% on points. I'm Key, a credit card, points and miles enthusiast and travel lover. On my channel, I discuss the mistakes I've made, my future travel goals, and overall credit journey since 2016. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I Prefer Hotel program has 6 different levels ranging from 15,000 I Prefer points all the way up to 150,000 I Prefer points, which means that you can now redeem as little as 4,000 Citi ThankYou points and as many as 38,000 Citi ThankYou points per night.
Hey, it's me. So I realized as I was going through these examples in a couple minutes here that you actually need to have all of the points in your account in order to select Book Now and proceed to the checkout. I noticed this by going to the FAQ section of the I Prefer website. I'll link it down below in the description. Now, I also wasn't able to link my Citi ThankYou points over to the I Prefer program. I'm wondering if the partnership's just too new. I was getting an error every time I tried to link my account to transfer points out.
All right, so I'm going to go highest to lowest points per night and just showcase one hotel in each of the 6 categories. Starting out with Lake Como, you can see that this property is 150 points per night, which means they're 38,000 Citi ThankYou points per night when you transfer them over. If I go ahead and select on the actual property here, gives you a little blurb. It kind of talks through all of that, but what you want to do is select Book Your Stay. Now, you're able to see this nice calendar here. I want to make sure, especially in Europe, that you're actually booking the amount of adults and children that are in your party. Not too much of a big deal here in the States. But nevertheless, you can see pretty much, there's definitely some blackout dates here for Lake Como. But pretty wide open, and you can see that this is 150,000 I Prefer points, or again, 38,000 38,000 Citi ThankYou points when they're transferred over here. I'm just going to select a single night here in April. I'm going to next, just to show you the type of value that you would get by transferring your Citi ThankYou points over to the I Preferred program. I'm going to just show the cash rate here. I've already done the math, but this property would net you 3 cents per point if that valuation matters to you. Again, same nights here. And what I really like about the only thing I like about the preferredhotels.com website is its ability to show the fees and taxes from the screen. You can see I'm not logged in. And even if I was, I don't have any sort of status or anything like that. Next up is the 100,000 I Prefer points per night property, and let's dive into it. Again, starting with the iprefer.com website, I found this all-inclusive property in South Africa. Now, this actually really piqued my interest, not only because it's all-inclusive, but this property will actually bring you on big game drives, so you can go see elephants, leopards, lions, rhinos, etc. That sounds really amazing to me. I kind of flipped through some of the pictures here as well. Looks like a very, very beautiful property. 100,000 I Prefer points is 25,000 Citi ThankYou points per night. Again, you could only transfer your Citi ThankYou points in increments of 1,000, so realize that the math may be off, rounded up on every scenario. Again, coming into the property and clicking Book Your Stay, you can again see that there are definitely some blackout dates in here. But again, let me just jump back to April. And that same weekend here that I talked about earlier, 100,000 I Prefer points or 25,000 Citi ThankYou points. So that same property on the Preferred Hotels website does show that it's about $840 per night. So this would get you 3.3 cents per point if you did the math out. Now, I did notice that it has this option to select use I Prefer points. But again, when you use the preferredhotels.com website, I'm only being able to pick up points plus cash nights. That's not what I'm talking about doing here. By utilizing iprefer.com, you're able to see the 100% points price, which is that 25,000 figure that I showed you a couple of minutes ago. All right. The next category we have is 75,000 I prefer points per night, which again is 19,000 Citi thank you points. I found this property in Singapore. So I selected on the property first. And again, I'm on iprefer.com. I selected on the property name and then I went to book your stay. This shows me the availability calendar by night. And again, this one doesn't have too many blackout dates. I actually don't see any blackout dates here. But again, I'm going to just select the April 11th and 12th. And over to the preferredhotels.com website. This property must be pretty nice because they are showing it on the homepage here. So I'm just going to select book now. It may already filter to my dates here of April. Yeah, it did. April 11th and 12th. You can see that pretty much the price per night is roughly the same. The weekend is about $300 and during the week is $290. So again, just staying consistent, I'm going to use April 11th. And let's figure out the points per night, or excuse me, the CPP per night. So this hotel costs 428 US dollars per night, which doing the math out, 19,000 Citi thank you points. This nets us 2.3 cents per point. Again, pretty solid in my book, pretty solid. And again, when I select this button, it only gives us the cash plus points rate. So this button's trash. Do not use the preferredhotels.com website until they figure this out. I don't really know why. Next up is our property starting at 50,000 points per night or 13,000 Citi thank you points. For the 50,000 points per night or the also known as the 13,000 Citi thank you points per night, I found this La Belmont Paris. Again, selecting on the property, going to book your stay. This pulls up the availability calendar. Less and less blackout dates here, which I'm loving to see that. And I'm going to come out here to April. I can see it's 50,000 points per night. Let's see how much this costs us with fees and taxes. $363.72. So doing out the cent per point math here comes in slightly less than some of the other properties we've looked at. Cent per point is 2.79 cents per point. So 13,000 Citi thank you points for this hotel, steps away from the Golden Triangle. I prefer points translates into 8,000 Citi thank you points per night. And for this one, we go to the United States. I was kind of thinking like a spring break kind of thing. So the prices are a little bit inflated this week, but you kind of flip through here. Even if I find the lowest cost here, it looks like it's maybe $103. So this is without the taxes, but just want to show you what the cent per point is here. So 1.28 cent per point here, even if we kind of go out into June and some of the other months where other days, excuse me, where the amounts are lower, still pretty solid to be in Miami Beach. So that same property on the iprefer.com website, just want to show you that it is available to book with points. Less and less blackout dates now that we got away from Lake Como, I guess. And it is available for 30,000 points per night. Just kind of expanding this a little bit. It looks like this property is always 30,000 points per night or 8,000 Citi thank you points per night, excuse me. So may want to keep that in mind. Always check the cash rate if cent per point really matters to you. Some of these dates in May or in June were $103 per night before the fees and taxes. So just determine if that's what you're going for. Last up is the properties that go for 15,000 I prefer points per night, which equates to 4,000 Citi thank you points. So you can imagine there weren't too many properties to pick from at the 15,000 points per night or the 4,000 Citi thank you points per night. I honestly just picked a property that was in the United States because I had never really heard of some of these other places being large tourist spots here, but I'm just going to flip through the list so you can see the 15,000 points per night. I believe is in Old Vegas, the Downtown Grand Hotel and Casino. But as you can see here, it goes for 15,000 I prefer points per night, or again, just as little as 4,000 Citi thank you points per night. And I'm just going to show what this looks like. I don't think I saw any blackout dates on this, even like Christmas, if you celebrate that, New Year's here in the US. 15,000 points per night. If you're trying to come to Vegas, maybe even the Super Bowl, right? Some of these dates in here, 15,000 points per night, 4,000 Citi thank you points per night. And again, Vegas is one of those places where, especially with the old school Vegas or Fremont Street, I don't know what the cash price is. Let's take a look. And I'm going to go back so we can just look at the full thing here. Oh, I didn't select April 11th and 12th because this looked inflated to me. It looked like this property usually goes for about $80 a night. There's some $69 rates in here. And yeah, so I think that's why I selected a different date. But you can kind of see in here, go through this map here, what the cash price is. I'm just going to use the 13th and the 14th. So even utilizing 4,000 Citi thank you points per night, this property nets you 3.1 cents per point. Again, I'm not sure if you would want to stay here. I've personally never stayed at the downtown Grand before. I do know that it's in the old part of Vegas. Maybe you're using your comp nights and things like that, maybe from Caesars or MGM. So, this probably wouldn't be something on your radar. Again, I was just trying to pick something that was slightly familiar, and just showing you this cash plus points rate is absolute garbage. There's no way I would do this. Preferredhotels.com. I don't even think I'm ever going to log into this site. From here on out, I am only utilizing the iprefer.com website to potentially book some of these properties. In my opinion, this kind of competes with Hyatt. I know they don't have a large footprint, right? I said there's only 430 properties that are available to book 100% points. But I do like that there's no fees and taxes, especially on those properties that I booked kind of around the globe. I went everywhere from Lake Como to a safari to, Vegas. So quite a bit of diversity in the properties I selected. Are you going to consider utilizing or gathering Citi thank you points as part of your portfolio going forward because of this new partnership? Let me know.